Stock market today. Nasdaq, S&P 500 surge as Nvidia leads bounce back from post-CPI sell-off. After a hotter-than-expected inflation reading on Wednesday, markets have quickly moved to price in a higher likelihood that the Federal Reserve will opt for a small interest rate cut at its September meeting. But some strategists have argued that a 25 basis point cut would be a more welcome sign from the Federal Reserve. Further clues into what the Fed is expecting the interest rate cut cycle to look like will come on September 18th, when the Federal Reserve releases its summary of economic projections, including its dot plot, which maps out policymakers' expectations for where interest rates could be headed in the future. As of Wednesday morning, markets are expecting 100 basis points of cuts from the Federal Reserve this year.